Have you ever stopped to consider how strange water truly is? It's this ordinary substance we see every day, yet it's anything but ordinary. Let's dive into the world of water, beginning with its unique chemical properties. Did you know that water, unlike most substances, is denser as a liquid than as a solid? That's right, water's lower density when it freezes is why ice floats on top of it. Imagine a world where ice sinks. Our lakes and oceans would freeze from the bottom up, making life as we know it impossible. Then there's water's polarity. Each of its molecules is like a tiny magnet with a positive and a negative end. This property makes water an incredible solvent, able to dissolve and carry a wide variety of substances. It's why our oceans are salty and our coffee is, well, coffee. So water is more than just a thirst quencher, it's a scientific marvel. Can you imagine life without water? It's practically impossible. Water, that unassuming substance we often take for granted, is the lifeblood of our planet. It's essential for all known forms of life, from the tallest trees reaching towards the sky to the tiniest microorganisms dwelling in the darkest depths of our oceans. In the grand tapestry of life, water is the thread holding everything together. It plays a critical role in our bodies, acting as a highway for nutrients and oxygen to travel to where they're most needed. It's a key player in digestion, breaking down the food we eat into its basic components so we can extract the energy we need to survive. Water is also our built-in thermostat, helping to regulate our body temperature and maintain a stable internal environment. Without it, our bodies simply couldn't function. Without water, there simply would be no life as we know it. It's not just essential, it's irreplaceable. Did you know that not everyone has access to clean, safe water? In fact, millions of people around the world are grappling with this very crisis. A crisis that reaches far beyond just quenching thirst. It's about health, education, and livelihoods. Imagine walking miles each day just to collect water that's not even clean. This is a daily reality for many in developing nations, where access to clean water is often scarce. Waterborne diseases become rampant, affecting the health of entire communities. Children miss out on education because their days are consumed in the pursuit of water. Families' livelihoods are jeopardized as they spend more time collecting water and less time earning an income. But here's where hope comes in. Through sustainable water management and conservation efforts. By harnessing these strategies, we can ensure that everyone, regardless of where they live, has access to this vital resource. Access to clean water is a fundamental human right, not a privilege. What's the link between water and climate change? Well, it's a connection that's both intricate and profound. Climate change impacts the water cycle significantly. The global water cycle is a constant process of evaporation and precipitation, but as our planet warms, this process becomes more intense. This can lead to more extreme weather events, such as longer, harsher droughts and more intense floods. Rising temperatures also cause sea levels to rise, and this is not just due to the melting of polar ice caps. Warmer water expands, and this thermal expansion contributes significantly to rising sea levels. This poses a real threat to coastal communities and ecosystems around the world. Climate change and water are inextricably linked. Changes in one can significantly impact the other. The implications are broad and far-reaching, affecting everything from our weather systems to our very livelihoods. The relationship between water and climate change is a complex, crucial one that we cannot ignore. What does the future hold for our most precious resource? As we look ahead, we see a landscape filled with challenges and opportunities. Water scarcity may lead to conflicts or water wars in the not-so-distant future. However, these challenges can be mitigated by advancements in technology. Innovation is leading the way with breakthroughs in water purification and desalination. Groundbreaking technologies are being developed that can transform seawater into potable water, potentially providing a solution for areas experiencing water shortages. But technology alone isn't the answer. Individual efforts towards water conservation are crucial. Simple changes in our daily routines can make a significant difference. Taking shorter showers, fixing leaky faucets, and watering plants in the early morning or late evening to reduce evaporation are just a few examples of how we can contribute. The future of water is in our hands. Remember to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights.